Hello my dear students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. In this session, I'm here to answer or solve all of your doubts regarding the mock test, regarding the KCET mock test. Whether you are having this question, what is the best time to start? How relevant they are, how to take it up, how can you actually make the mock test your best friend. So we all know this is very important, okay? All of your seniors, your parents, your teachers, everybody must have told you before this, yes, mock tests are very, very important. But still, there are many doubts that students have regarding mock test, which stops them to going forward and being active, taking up those serious mock test of KCET. First of all, what type of mock test you should take? All these questions regarding this will be answered in this small video. So if you are somebody who is also not sure when to start or whether it will be a right fit for my preparation right now or not, if you're also confused like this, I'm telling you, I'll be helping you in that session. So hit the like button and share this session. Share our channel Diksha Karnataka with all of your seniors, all of your friends. If you're in first PUC, share with your seniors. All of your classmates, if you're a second PUC student, share this channel with them. They can also learn from here. Okay, let's start. So again, advantages of taking KCET mock test and taking mock test right now. How can it change your preparation? Let's look at that. So of course, the first question is, when should I start? Should I start right now, sir, or should I wait for some time? So most students feel that KCET mock test is something you should, think as it a test that we are preparing for. So until unless we are not prepared, correct now, what do we think? It is a test, no sir. It is a test, no sir. One second guys. If it is a test, I should prepare first for the test, right? I should prepare first for the test and then only I should, basically give or write, na? Then only I can get a proper evaluation, all of that. This is what we all think. If I'm writing a test, my goal is always to score high in that. That's what we think for. Whatever best I can score, and that can only happen if I prepare, the right word will be complete my entire syllabus. At least second PUC, sir. Let me finish second PUC, then I'll take the test of second PUC. Right? Wrong. Wrong. That's not what your, have you seen the toppers in your class? Okay, do you know what is the difference? They're not thinking like that. They know test is only one that will happen in April. April second week you will have your KCET and in March you'll have your boards. Those are the real examination. This all is just preparation. Writing mock test is also a preparation only. So do not feel that you are preparing for the mock test. No, this itself is a preparation. Whatever you have done, go and write that particular test itself. Okay, so you feel that after I finish the syllabus, it will never be done. Who finishes 100% of syllabus? It's very difficult to finish 100% of syllabus and you finish it by, night before examination. So when will you write the mock test? Right? Ask toppers, by what time your 100% portions are over in CET? They'll say, maybe 1 or 2 months before that, sir. By that time I have finished my PU1 and PU2 both completely. Then how will they write mock test? Will they waste for last month? Of course not. The answer is right now, no excuses. Whatever chapters are done, take mock tests for that. Advantages? We'll talk about that. We'll talk about that. You don't need the full syllabus coverage to start this. You've covered 3 chapters, write the test for 3 chapters. You covered 5 chapters, write test for 5 chapters. You covered 8 chapters, write the test for 8 chapters. Have you not covered this much? Will you all not agree that your KCET portions is very much similar to your boards portion? In your school, in your colleges, your boards, they have covered 5 chapters, right? They've covered till the second PUC, continuity and defensibility. Then go and write those KCET mock tests. But yes, very important, KCET mock test. Not any random mock test of JE or any random mock test of board level. No, only suitable KCET mock test. Okay? Yes. So if you start right now in September, let's say, and you are not getting good, you're not getting good marks. Let's say you're getting 30 marks out of 180. You're getting, let's say, 100 out of 180. They're not good marks. But you have time to fix it. If you fail in September or month coming after that, if you start right now, you will have the time to fix this. Early mistakes are gift. You get to know what to be done about it. But if you start taking mock test over here in February, you will start panicking more. Oh my God, my mocks score are not increasing only, and I have practicals are there, boards are there. When will I prepare? When will I revise? When will I write the mocks? Feb you will have the practicals, March will be the board exam, April 2-3 weeks will be there, then you'll have your CET. You will do revision of your weak areas or you'll do mock test. So if you start over here, you're on the right track to, by that time you'll always be covered with all the part test, all second PUC full syllabus test, all first PUC full syllabus test, and accordingly you'll start writing, full length, basically 2 hour test for your, the way pattern is there. 2-day paper is there, 1 day physics chemistry, morning and evening slot, again next day is maths and biology. So that way you should write the test in the similar time. So whatever time is there in your actual examination, try to write in the same time, in the same environment. Otherwise you will not be comfortable, you will not be, there will be still chances of surprises in the exam. Try to write exam or test or any mock test at the similar schedule as they keep writing, that they keep in the actual examination. This prepares your body or mind to be ready or to be thinking at that point of time in the best way. Your mind is already active. Let's say you are writing every day your test at 9:30 in the morning. The weekends only, yes, 9:30 in the morning. If you do this for a month or 2-3 months like this, your mind will become very active at that point of time. Same again, you take a break, evening second shift is there, right? The chemistry paper, write that paper over there only. Your mind will be trained like that. Okay, nothing is natural. You have to train yourself to become natural. Okay, anything around you that feels natural, it becomes. It means the person has put a lot of effort to make it look natural. Okay. So advantage number 1 is discovering your weak area. Advantage number 2 is this. Even very good student, when they look at 5 or 6 difficult questions in the beginning, they start losing this time management in the exam. So if you are already prepared with the surprises, then you'll not lose your patience, lose your confidence. When only 5, let's say first 10 questions you solved, all 10 are difficult, what will happen to them? Will the last 50 will also be difficult? Of course not. There will mix of moderate and easy as well, right? So the time management, this part becomes very useful once you've written those mock tests, those number of mock tests. Your ability to solve 60 questions in 60 minutes is what is required in CET. 1 minute per question, every single time, every single question for a shift of or for a slot of 4 different papers. So start in September, your time management becomes, actually basically a natural habit it becomes. This becomes very natural, like your muscle memory. Your brain memory, that's how it functions. But February if you start, you're still calculating how much time is left. If I spend this many time in the question, let's say this problem of integration, how will I solve the questions in ITF or questions in first PUC topics? So this will be in your mind. But if you have written so many mock tests, this will not be there. So you only choose, okay, what you want to do. Exam fear goes away. This, this panic, the scaredness of the exam will go away if you've written so many mock tests. Right, mock 1, you'll be, of course, nervous, thinking about it. Sir, I got only 35. It's okay. By writing 5 mocks, you'll be okay. I know it's not getting good, but I still have to do it anyway, right? You're getting used to it. But once you finish 20 mock tests, okay, you will feel like this is just another day. And okay, whatever it is scoring, what is the improvement, do the analysis. Okay, I scored these many marks in these topics, means these are my good areas, my weak areas. I need to work on that, I need to allocate time on that, I need to ask doubts on those topics from my teachers. This all is there with you only if you have done the mocks. Look at any of the toppers interview, they'll always tell they have done so many mock tests. I'm saying toppers means single digit, double digit rankers. CET, JEE, anybody, they have written so many mocks. Right? Yeah. So advantage number 3 is clear, exam fear goes away slowly. Number 4, see your growth visually. If you start right now, you might be scoring 35 to 65 marks in the first month. But you can simply see by the end of December, your score will be close to 100. And by April, it will become close to 140, 150. And if in a very good KCET mock, very good paper, which is actually moderately difficult than actual paper, then if it is 140 to 150 range, in a proper good quality mock test, then you can simply score 160 plus. If this is a mock test, trust me, 160 plus is possible in actual CET. Because mock test papers are difficult than, they're supposed to be difficult than your CET exam, right? Once you prepare for the real tougher side, but not too much tough for JEE level, because you should be able to solve so many questions also, right? But yeah, a right mix, a right experience of mock test can help you get to this marks very easily by the end of April. Of course, concepts are important, but that we are here to help you in that, right? We are helping you with preparation of all the chapters. So we'll be doing that, don't worry about it, okay? That graph will be your confidence, and this cannot be faked. You will of course see this change in your preparation very soon. Just start your mock test as soon as possible in the month of September itself. Every mock test, if it is for full syllabus, becomes one full revision of either full syllabus or those concepts, those chapters that you have taken mock test on. Because mock test can be on part test also, means part syllabus also, or on the full syllabus of second PUC, first PUC, or combined as well. So whatever type of mock test you have taken, on those chapters, on those topics, you have given a proper revision, one full revision, right? Think about it. Okay, so you'll be doing, let's say if you're doing so many mock tests, at least 6 to 7 times you'll be doing the revision of the entire syllabus before the KCET. Okay, but if you start in February, you'll not be having those many attempts or those many time left to do the complete revision every time. When I say complete, I mean for physics, chemistry, math, biology, all of it. Okay? Yes. This is the 5 advantages that you can see. Number 6. You start thinking like KCET. Once you are solving, let's say 60 questions in a mock. So a weekend you are giving 4 papers. That becomes 240 questions. You are solving, let's say in this month, September, you're let's say solving how many? 8. 2 weeks you have used. So 8 papers like this. Okay, again, if you keep going like this, if you end up solving, let's say 20 papers you've done, each has 60 questions, how many problems you've solved? So start thinking in the way of KCET. The pattern of the questions, the type of problems, moderate, easy, what to choose, what to leave, all this become very much habitual. Okay, just knowing concept is not enough. Reading, understanding without pressure should also be there. Okay, cracking the KCET, applying the time, time management skills properly is what you need. Okay, yes. So mocks test trains your brain to switch to the exam mode. People, if you ask any of the student what they are doing in the preparation, 90% of the people will say, I'm learning from the NCERT, I'm solving this question, that question. But how many tests they are giving per week? In a month, how much mock tests they have given? How many times they have done a timed practice? So please take this as time practice. Yes, it's okay, doesn't matter. So see those many questions, just see those many pattern of problems, but always do this under time constraint. Don't do it like, okay, I have the paper, so I'll solve it in 2 hours. Don't do that. In the given time, how many you can solve? That's what the challenge is. Okay, the best time to start or best time to solve the mock test was yesterday. The next time is what? Today. Again, this is not my word. A very renowned person has said this. Okay, you only tell me the name of the person in the chat, okay, in the comment section, and take any test series. Take any test series. Okay, but make sure that this is for KCET mocks only. Don't take for JEE, don't take just random test series. Go verify the syllabus, verify the portions, ask teachers, ask all of your doubts, but start taking KCET mock tests as soon as possible, guys. Okay, and again, for any help from our side, we have given you all a platform for learning, our own AIO page learning platform, right? What is this? One page for where you can get your access to the notes. Let's say class notes are there. You have notes for any particular, let's say, special classes are conducted. Those will be also available. You have assignments, you have questions, you have tests. All is available to all of the students of YouTube for no charges. Okay, that's called as AIO, all-in-one learning platform by Vedantu. Click on the link given for free AS KCET 2027 course. Okay, don't worry, give me a second, I'll show you how it works. I'll give you the entire demo, how we can take the quizzes and everything. Just 1 second. Yes, right here, please check. So this is particularly the page that you'll get after you click on that link, free AS KCET 2027 course. Once you are there, come click on buy now, but don't worry, the charges are not there. It's completely for free. I have created my own login. So once you create your own login, you can simply log in from there itself. Again, this is my login, so this is open right now. You can see YouTube course AS KCET 2027. Continue. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see different subjects are there. You have schedule, performance, notice, okay, InstaSolve, and this Ask Ved is your doubt asking platform. You can ask doubts over here as well. All your academic doubts can be cleared over here. Your tests are also here. So let's say I want to check maths. Lectures are there. I want to look at, let's say, quizzes, slides. So class notes you will get like this. Whatever I've taught in that class note will be available to all of you. Okay. Then let's say I want to check the quizzes. Again, the quiz will be away. Okay, then the quiz is not added, but yeah, quizzes are also here, guys. See, this is the quiz again. You can go and start taking the quiz from here. There's 7 questions over here. Different chapter will have different number of questions. You can solve. The number of bijective functions from set A to itself is what? So that's going to be, if n is 106, answer becomes 106 factorial. Okay. The faster you solve, the higher points you get. So for this question, you got 943 points. Continue, and if you continue, you're going to see the leaderboard, what rank you are having. All that will be displayed over here. See, so my rank right now is 38. Okay, for all the students who have taken this particular test, this quiz, they can all access. I can go for next question, but I want to go back. All right. So again, you'll find tests and everything over here in the My Courses. Start learning right now. All right, guys. Is this clear? Okay. And yes, please start taking up mock test as soon as possible. But take only those mock tests which is relevant to KCET. Don't take any random mock test. Okay. Any doubts you have regarding any of these things, please ask me in the comment section. I'll help you with that. Okay. That's all in this class. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. All the best.